Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Roblox lagging on your Windows. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Roblox is lagging on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Windows 7, Windows 8, whatever Windows you are using, if your Roblox is lagging on that, then I will show you a simple method to fix these issues. First of all, you need to check whether your internet is connected or not. If your internet is connected, then the second method is you need to check your internet speed. For that, you just need to open your Chrome browser. Here you need to type speed test and hit enter. Here you can see run speed test. Just click on this. You can check your internet speed, how much Mbps you are getting. You can see my download speed is 54 Mbps. After that, my upload speed is 26 Mbps. After checking this, you can close this window. The third method is you need to change the graphics setting for your Roblox. For that, you just need to click on start menu, click on settings, click on the display, scroll down, under related setting you will find graphics. Click on this. Here you have to find Roblox. Just click on this Roblox, click on option, select high performance. By default it is selected as let Windows decide. You have to select high performance and click on save and close this window. After doing this, you need to open the task manager. Just right click on this taskbar and click on task manager, or you can press Ctrl Alt Delete. The task manager will be open. After that, you need to close all your unknown running apps. Like, you just need to right click on this and click on end task. After closing all your unwanted apps, you need to disable the startup apps, because of that the system will be slow. After that, the Roblox will be lagging. So select your app, select the startup tab. You can see status here. You can see this is enabled, this is also enabled. Just you need to right click on that and click on disable. The status will be disabled. After that, just close the window. And the last and final setting is you just need to click on start menu, click on settings, in left section you can see here gaming. Click on this. After that, you can see here game mode. Just click on this. You have to enable this toggle. If it is disabled, you just need to enable this option and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox lagging on your Windows 10, Windows 11 or Windows 7 or your Windows 8. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.